Don't follow the sound.
Wait, follow what sound?
Don't follow the sound.
What did that old man mean by don't follow the sound?
I don't know, but just hurry up and check the footage.
Yo, I'm pretty sure that's where that sound is coming from.
Pause it, pause it. Wait, that's the guy from last night, no?
Yeah, wait, that is the same old man. Wait, what's he doing? Dude, he's like writing down notes. Bro, her mouth like broke open. He just dropped something. I'm pretty sure this is it. It's just a hell. Yeah, the coordinates. Grab your phone.
Okay.
Okay, let's just try to put these numbers in and see where it leads us to.
Yeah, grab
Number 8.
Okay, here.
Yeah, this is where it sent us.